Hey there, all you YouTube nail mother lovers. Welcome back to the autumn mini-series for fall designs. We're just taking a quick peek at my awesome Madame Glam Builder Joe inlays. That's in another video, I'll link it here. Alright, so today we are starting with base coat. I'm using Born Pretty products today, and we are going to be making this design in the top corner. This is one of my favorite designs of all time. It is classy, it is sexy, always works. Cure that base coat for 1 minute please. Now we're going in with one of my favorite polishes from Born Pretty. It is a navy, but it has a gold glitter shimmer within it, and it is gorgeous. It is about as creamy as they come, this color. You can definitely get away with one coat if you want to, but do 2 coats, cure it, 1 minute each please. Now we are delving into one of my favorite products, and that is gold gel paint. So we're taking the gold gel paint and we're going to be doing some swooshes. So just start anywhere at the top of the nail that you want and swoosh down and across. Give it a bit of a touch up so it's nice and even. And top tip for young players, this is a metallic gel paint, so once you put it on it gets a couple this is my sparkles. Once you put it on it gets a couple streaks through it, but the longer you let it sit, those streaks will fall out of the gel layer and it will look more like a gold band. It doesn't go shiny, reflective shiny like a foil will. It gives you a more metallic flavor, shall we say. So we're just doing another swoop across the nail. There's no rhyme or reason to these, but it is kind of cutting the nail into quarters, I guess, almost in a bad way. But swoop at the top, swoop across the top third, swoop across the bottom quarter, and then swoop across the bottom. Now this stuff is amazing. This stuff is glitter gel paint, and I am going to strategically choose 2 areas on the nail in which to place this gel paint. One will be up the top near the cuticle, not necessarily to do that moon cuticle thing because it's off center, but just to give it contrast between the top and the second place that I put this. That's it, gold silver sparkle gel, or gold sparkle gel rather, and it gives a nice separation between the top glitter, the 2 sections of the navy, and then this area of glitter that I've chosen to put this in. It is just a kind of a aesthetic balancing that you choose places that are not next to each other, that are a little bit random and that give the nail a little bit of interest. So you want to choose things that look good, and sometimes it is trial and error. Let's be honest, none of us got any of this right the first go. You've seen my videos. It's all about being real here in Claws by Kadence land. So once you put the gel paint on, make sure you give it a clean up around the edges of the nail, and the gel paint will cure for 1 minute. I'm just taking a brush with a little bit of IPA on it and taking the gel glitter away from the gel paint line, just because I'm anal and it looks nice and neat. So now we are going to attack this with top coat, and the top coat will seal everything in nice and shiny. I didn't choose to use the rubber top on this nail because it's not as raised as what the inlay nail was with the fall leaf inlay. I'll put the link up top. So I'm just using super top. I could, if I was not lazy, buff it and retop it, but I'm lazy. Chuck that in the lamp for 1 minute, and there you have it, everybody. That's one of my favorite designs of all time. The light picks up the gold glitter in the navy polish, the gold of the gel paint lines, and then the shiny shit that you put in between the lines, that gel paint that is made out of glitter. That is awesome stuff. I highly recommend you get yourself some glitter gel paint. It will change your life when you are drawing straight lines with glitter. So please like, subscribe, give us any comments, tips or ideas. I'll see you next time.